Continuing with our news, as on January the 23rd, in Gia Lai province, the Ministry of Public Security, in collaboration with the United Nations Development Program, UNDP, held an international workshop to introduce the Istanbul Protocol, manual on the effective investigation and documentation of torture and other cruel, inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment.
Yes, and the event underscores Vietnam's strong commitment to implementing the UN Convention Against Torture. Now we learn more in the report.
Gathering leading UN experts and representatives from domestic judicial and medical agencies, the workshop reaffirmed Vietnam's determination to deepen international integration and uphold the Convention Against Torture. This served as a crucial forum for functional agencies, particularly law enforcement forces, to grasp the core requirements of the Istanbul Protocol. The UNDP representative highly praised Vietnam's efforts, viewing the adoption of the protocol as a practical step towards increasing transparency in investigations and protecting the rights of both detainees and law enforcement officers. During the workshop, delegates focused on discussing the protocol's core principles, the roles of various stakeholders, and sharing international experiences in torture prevention. After more than 10 years of participation in the UN Convention Against Torture, Vietnam has made significant strides in ensuring the effective implementation of the convention.
The conference provided a foundation for Vietnam authorities to study and propose applications suited to Vietnam context. This contributes to the effective implementation of the Convention Against Torture.